Hello and welcome back to my video about PHP. In this video about variables, I will speak about predefined variables. I will just explain the predefined variables, so we in the next videos will get information what you can use about the predefined variables. The first one is we have a superglobals variables. It's meaning we have a predefined one where we have like globals, server, get, post, files, request, session, an environment, and a cookie. And I will type them for you so you can see what happened here. We can just say print R. It's meaning we dump everything about it. So we can say globals, and we can just save it and go for the browser so you can see what happened here. And I will make it a little bit readable so you want to see this one. You can see you have get, post, cookies, and files. This is globals. Everything we have about is a superglobals. If we comment this out and make the next one, then we have a server. You will see this one will be very huge, a lot of those, and we have get, nothing because we don't have a get param right now. It's empty. And then we have post coming if you're coming from a form, and it's empty too. And then we have files, it's empty. It's coming where you use multi-data in your form, where you're trying to upload a new file to your website. And then we have cookie. You can see you have a PyCharm. It's my PyCharm, and then we have the IO, and we have a ID here, so that's cool. And then we have session. This should be empty, or maybe PHP ID. Yeah, whoops. Yeah, it's because I don't have session start. We'll speak about that. And then we have request. Request using to combine the get and post. So if you have a get param and the post parameters should be the equals, then you will overlapping. So I will not recommend to use request. And then we have the environment variables, and that's empty too. So that's a little bit about what we have as superglobals. In the next couple of videos I will speak about the single one by one. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy. If you have any questions about superglobals in PHP, then please make a comment below, and I hope you want to press on the thing below so you can subscribe my channel, and of course put this video to your playlist so you have it in the future, and share it with your friends. Thank you so much for your time, and see you next time, and thank you for subscribing.